Hi guys, you're now watching my squish experiment 6. So yeah, today I'm going to do the squish experiment, but I'm going to do it for overnight. And then yeah, I'm going to do it overnight. So I'm going to sleep now, so when I wake up, I'll probably take them out after I eat my breakfast, then I'll film a video about it. So I'm gonna divide this into part 1 and part 2. I have got a pause camera, but I'm too lazy to use it. So part 1 will be this one, part 2 will be the outcome of it. So I have 4 selected squishies to do this time. The same old to this one. And my newest squishy Hello Kitty. And my favorite one here. Yay! So I'm gonna put them in the freezer. I'll show you. Let's bring them along. Oh no, my hands are so full. Ah, I'm coming. Let's go. I hope it'll be squishy. It's kind of dark here. There's on the lights. Okay, much better. So I'm gonna put them in the freezer. Okay, so I'll put it in the freezer, and that's all for part 1. So remember to watch part 2.